VARMS, your virtual affidavit registry management system, where getting your court-verified affidavit has been made easier than ever. To begin, simply head on to www.varms.fcthighcourt.gov.ng. You'll see a Get Started button. When you get to the landing page, go ahead and click that. After clicking that, you'll be taken to the registration page. Next, fill in your details. Once you're done, click the Submit button to create your account. After your account has successfully been created, click on the Request Affidavit button to begin your virtual affidavit request process. At the first step, you will be required to fill in your personal details to validate your profile. This is a one-time step. For subsequent requests, it will be pre-filled. Once you're done, click on the Validate Profile button to proceed to the next step. On this next step, you will be prompted to select your pickup and affidavit type. For the pickup type, we are going to select the virtual option. For the affidavit type, you would select the affidavit you wish to process from the template lists. When you're done, click on the Submit button. In order to get access to edit your affidavit templates, click on the Pay Online button. After that, you'll be prompted to proceed to payments. Click on the Proceed button. This will redirect you to the payments page, where you can make your payments either through transfer or card. After successful payments, you'll be redirected to the Affidavit Details page, where you can now edit your affidavit templates. When you're done editing your templates, click on the Submit for Processing button. Then click on the Proceed button. Please wait on this page. After a few minutes, a CFO from the High Court would call you on this platform. You're required to accept the call and speak with the CFO in order for your affidavit request to be approved and signed.